Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Scrape out char, then add half a cup of water and a quarter cup of vinegar so the burn is submerged. Heat to a gentle simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This softens carbon and dissolves food acids. Once done, cool slightly and pour out most liquid, leaving a thin wet film. Make a paste with baking soda and water. This is your mild abrasive. Apply it immediately where the burn is concentrated so the next steps work faster. You'll combine mechanical scrubbing with chemical lift. Apply the baking soda paste across the blackened zones. Baking soda neutralizes acidity and provides gentle abrasion. Use a nylon pad and scrub in small circular motions. Apply steady pressure, not force, to protect the stainless finish. If residue resists, add a splash of vinegar to react with the baking soda and create fizz. Let it sit 1 to 3 minutes, then scrub again. Make sure to rinse between passes to see progress clearly. Rinse the pan thoroughly to remove all paste and loosen particles, then dry immediately to prevent water spots. You can polish with a little cooking oil on a paper towel to restore luster and mask micro scratches. If discoloration or heat tint remains, repeat the simmer and scrub cycle once more. Stubborn marks sometimes need 2 treatments. Trouble: if burn won't budge, let a paste of cream of tartar and water sit overnight, or use a special.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.